Welcome to Avid Edge. Today we'll discuss modal verbs. Modal verbs are a type of auxiliary verb that express modality, which is the speaker's attitude toward the meaning of the main verb. They are used to indicate likelihood, ability, permission, obligation, and advice, among other things. The most common modal verbs in English are can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, will, would. Can, example, I can speak French fluently. Could, example, could you pass me the salt, please? May I borrow your pen for a moment? Might, example, I might go to the party tonight, but I haven't decided yet. Must, example, you must wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. Shall, example, shall we meet at the park at 3 p.m.? Should, example, you should eat more vegetables for better health. Will, example, she will arrive at the airport at 6 p.m. Would, example, I would love to go on vacation to Hawaii someday. Thank you for watching.